Hi friend, in this tutorial I will teach you in about the offset command. What is the offset command? The offset command is repeats for the convenience. Second point, create an object at a specific distance from an existing object. Look, if you want to apply this object in offset commands, and one point is just so use the offset tool to create a new feature by offsetting the either a surface or a curve with a constant and variable distance. You can then use the offset surface to build a huge geometry to create a pattern geometry. You can use the offset curve to build up a set of a curve, and that you can use the build a surface various options and available for within the offset tools such as the singles offset, chain offset and loops offset. Inside this close it. There is the offset. There are the three types of offset in these tutorials. So I will explain one by one in a brief. Single offset, chain offset and loop offset. So first apply the single. Okay. So first click on the offset command. Cross. First click on the offset and this window is open. Three types of a offset: single, chain and loop. So in offset have to three. So select a single and then select a single line and then this direction arrow direction indicate the positive offset. Okay, if you put this 10, this, see this, click. If you want to again the apply the offset single, select this. Okay, and this value is 20. Okay, so let's see, single means single, you will select the single line. Okay, so if you put this 20 value, offset this line in 20. Okay, and then again apply. If you take a line, single line, see here, and then again select this, apply in a offset. So by default click on single. Okay, so if you selecting this line, close this. If you selecting this, only one line is selected, not entire. Single means only one line. One line is one entity, the second entity look like. So if you put this 50, so this line is offset by 50. See this, this is the 50. Okay, so this way you will apply the single. Okay, if you apply in this arc this way and then apply this arc, if you apply this offset in a single, this arrow direction is a opposite. Okay, this positive value, if you put this minus 50 in negative. Okay, plus is defined for inside or minus is outside. To offset the edge in the direction of the arrow, type of a positive, and negative, the offset of the edge in the opposite direction, the type is negative value. Okay, so close it and delete it. Okay, take a rectangle anywhere this way and then apply to offset and then apply on chain. Okay, so close it, then first you will select the chain. Okay, in the chain offset, so click on the chain and select the first entity and the last entity. This is the first and then last. Okay, and then here is the one menu option is unity. Click on next. Next is defined for you selecting this line and this line, so next and then accept. Okay, and then put this value if you want to 30. So this way, this your object will be define the 30. Okay, chain. Take a second example. Okay, if you clicking this line and they execute this command and then apply the offset and then select, first you close here and then select chain. Okay, chain is defined for first line, second line and third line. This is the chain. Okay, so if you clicking this, so more than 2 values is included the chain and then apply the 30. Okay, so this way your offset is 30. Okay, see here 30 and 30. Okay, this way 30 and 30. If you apply again here, apply here and then here, and then value put in 60. Okay, look, this way is the 60, this value, and this is a 60. So this chain. Okay, close it, and then one option is rest, is loop. So click on the here rectangle, zoom to fit. Okay, and then apply. Using the loop condition, profile must be closed. This is the very important in this offset. Okay, so close it. In loop option, this condition is note down. Using the loop condition, profile must be closed. This profile is the close. Okay, if you applying this, this is the not close profile, this is the close profile. So if you applying the offset, so you need to first select this loop first and then apply the this arrow. See this direction is, this arrow direction show the positive value. Okay, so apply 60. Okay, see this 60 outside. If you apply again, click, select the loop and then minus 30. Okay, take a minus 30, so inside. Okay, so you better understand, minus will be inside and plus will be outside. Okay, this, and then if you apply the here loop, okay, this way, it's not completely. Okay, so you need to take a close. If you apply to circle and then apply the offset command, so close it and then apply this loop, select and then 30. Okay, this way apply the offset command in a this manner. Okay, single, chain and loop. This is the completely offset command. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. If you need guide, doubt, please ask.